Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone has internet and WhatsApp is up to date. This prevents sync errors. Once ready, open Chrome and go to the WhatsApp webpage where a QR code is visible. Now pick up your phone, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Linked Devices, and choose Link a Device. You're initiating a secure pairing. That QR scan is the handshake that tells WhatsApp to mirror your account to Chrome. Once you tap Link a Device, point your phone camera at the Chrome QR code and hold it steady until it scans. This usually takes a second. After the scan, WhatsApp creates a session. Make sure to check Keep Me Signed In on Chrome if you want persistent access at home, but avoid that on public computers. You can also name this session in your phone's Linked Devices list so you can recognize and revoke it later if needed. After pairing, give Chrome a moment to sync messages and media. Large attachments may appear more slowly. To end a session, use Logout in the Chrome WhatsApp menu or go to your phone's linked devices and remove that session. This revokes access immediately. If you can't scan the QR, refresh the page, clear Chrome's cache, update WhatsApp, and restart the phone. These steps fix most QR or connection errors quickly, ensuring a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.